This is a verification round for the baking soda test for my Hoover Tempo Widepath. So let's see what this does for round 2. Using a clean, blown out Crucial vacuum bag, and of course our ubiquitous 10 grams of baking soda. Let's see what the empty bag weighs. Right, we're at 38.5 something. Let's wait for that to stabilize. 8.5. All right, we'll say 38.56. So that'll do. Yep, I know it's going to move around a little bit. Okay, let me reset up and let's get started with the test. If you remember, brush roll in here, very, very wide and very stiff, highly aggressive, but I don't think this is the most aggressive brush roll that I have. I think I have a few other machines that are a little more aggressive than this, but this is up there to be sure. So height set to medium. There goes the 10 grams of baking soda. Let's see what we get. Ten full cycles. Let's see, bag in there. Yeah. Get the board of measurement. Let me see if I should move you up a little bit. Maybe change the angle. That ought to work. I gotta get the machine up a little bit more. Okay, we started out at 38.56 and we end up with, it's still going to be a great result. Really great result. You can see that. Okay, we are going to do 47.3 something. Get a little closer. 0.37. 38, 36, 37. All right, I'll say 47.37. I know it moves around a little bit. This kind of drives me nuts. And then we'll subtract 38.56, and we get 8.81 out of 10 grams. Of course, I can just multiply that, and we get 88%. So that is a fabulous result. And if we take a look at the bristles, let me move this again here so we can re-examine them if you haven't seen this before, although there's lots of other videos you can go and take a peek at where you can see the bristle pattern. There we go. That'll be good enough. Oops. Take a peek at this. Adjust that down a little bit. So you have, these are actually medium long. They're not the longest bristles that I've ever seen, but they're up there. And in addition to that, they are pretty stiff. They're not the stiffest, but they're definitely up there. So this simple wooden brush roll here really digs into the medium pile carpet. And with its 91 CFM and 40 something inches of water lift, have to go back and look at the test to confirm that, this does a fantastic job for a clean air 12 amp machine. Very simple, very inexpensive machine, and boy does it ever do a great job with baking soda in the carpet. But you do need to remember that just like the Sanitaire SC888, you do have extraneous pickup in the bag. I guarantee there's more than just baking soda in this bag. There's going to be carpet fibers in there. So this is harsh. So be careful if you use something like this and you have a carpet that you think is delicate or you want to last a long time. Probably not recommended for that. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.